Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back again to my channel. Today, we've got an exciting brain teaser that's sure to challenge your logical skills. It's called the Camel and Bananas Riddle, and it's one of those puzzles that will leave you scratching your head. And so, let's dive in and see if you can crack it. Here's the riddle. The camel is tasked with transporting bananas from one location to another across a desert. The camel can carry 1,000 bananas at a time, but the distance to destination is 1,000 miles. For every mile the camel walks, it eats one banana. The problem is to determine the maximum number of bananas that the camel can transport to the destination, assuming there are 3,000 bananas at the starting point. So, let's summarize the results. Phase 1. Distance is 200 miles, bananas at 0, 3,000, bananas at X, 2,000, bananas eaten by camel is 1,000. Phase 2. X to Y. Distance is 333.3 miles, bananas at X is 2,000, bananas at Y is 1,000, bananas eaten by the camel is 1,000. Phase 3. Y to 1,000 miles, distance is 467 miles, bananas at Y is 1,000, bananas at 1,000 is 533, bananas eaten by the camel is 467. Pretty cool, right? This riddle is a great example of how sometimes to achieve the best outcome. Did you solve it? Let me know you get it right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a puzzle.